A lot of people want to lose weight. They tried many methods like following some fad diets, popping weight loss pills or supplements and hitting the gym every other day. However, many failed to achieve the desired weight loss target. Some might see a bit of results but are unable to reduce their weight further. Some achieve temporary success but pile on the weight soon after. The truth is that the secret to losing weight and keeping them away is very simple and lies in just 3 areas: mentality, metabolism, and correct nutrition. The first thing you need for effective permanent weight loss is the correct mental state. A lot of people would like to lose weight, wish to lose weight, or desire to lose weight. However, they are not committed to losing weight. Many tried hard but gave up when they find it too tough to maintain that diet. Some hit a plateau and give up. Some opt for the easy way of just popping some magic pills thinking that it will work without any effort on their part. This mentality will not help in losing weight. There must be a strong commitment to weight loss. That commitment must be stronger than the desire to eat indiscriminately. It must be strong to keep you on the path of burning calories without wavering or giving up. Only with this mindset can any weight loss effort be effective. The second thing to effective weight loss is boosting your metabolism. As one ages, their metabolism slows down. This is why it is easier to lose weight when you are young than when you are older. Metabolism depends on fuel to keep it going, and the fact is you need to boost your metabolism for effective weight loss. That is why starvation will not work. Starvation leads to the shutting down of the body's metabolism to preserve energy. The lack of fuel will also lead to lower immune system and make you susceptible to illnesses like cold and flu. Boosting metabolism is essential to effective weight loss. However, the metabolism needs to be maintained at an optimal level. The body needs sufficient fuel to function properly and to burn those calories to lose weight, but it should not be taking in excessive amounts. Hence, the third ingredient to effective weight loss is consuming the correct amount of calories. The reason most people gain weight is because the calories they take in far exceeds the amount the body needs to function. The amount of calories that you need to take in each day depends upon your height, your gender, your body type, and your activity level. It is recommended that you find out what is your body type to be able to customize a correct nutrition plan and exercise routine to burn calories and reduce weight fast. Hey! Would you really want to have the body of your dreams? That kind of body that make others are impressed and make compliments to you? After you click the link below this video, you will see the best complete program to lose fat and weight fast, that helped me to get the body that I have always wanted. With 3 amazing bonuses and warranted for 60 days. Yes. 60 days money back guarantee. Take